Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh, the cooking cop.
And my name is Babe and I cook for the cop.
So today we have a really special recipe. We're going to be working here in the kitchen. Well, Babe is going to be working here in the kitchen. And we're going to be doing her famous Nashville hot chicken sandwich. I've never had this before.
No.
You've made it for your friends up north.
Yes.
You've made it like a couple different times, but somehow you've never made it for me.
That is correct.
Well, we're having it today, folks. So before we get started, I would like to say thank you to all of our subscribers for hanging in there. Look, my eyebrows are growing back and my weird mustache is starting to grow back. But between all the medical issues and the doctor's appointments and the hospital stays and the inconsistency on posting and everything like that, you guys have stuck with Babe and us through thick and thin. So thank you. It's getting more and more difficult for us to post as I am more and more tired lately. But yeah.
You're doing good, Babe.
So thank you. And while I'm on the thank yous, I want to just roll our 8 top tier channel members right now. Their names will be rolling across the screen. So we have a join button. The join button looks like this. If you hit the join button, there's 3 different tiers. And if you hit the top tier, not only will we ship you out a bag of Babe swag,
It's a good
t-shirt, bunch of different stuff in the bag, but you also get your name in every video. And in this video, you just got your name in the front of the video. So shout out to you guys. We couldn't support the channel and the videos without you. So yeah, anything else, Babe?
No.
It's
Enjoy
time to
the
get,
recipe.
It's time to get to cooking. Nashville hot chicken sandwiches. And we're making this for you, Timmy. You shout out Timmy. You know who you are. We're making this for you, Timmy. He wanted a Nashville hot chicken sandwich video.
He gets a Nashville hot chicken sandwich.
And I haven't even tried this recipe. So me and you are going to be trying it at the same time. Right, Babe?
We should go drop it off at his house, really.
I know. And just drop it off. He has cameras everywhere in his house, though. You can't get up to his front porch without him coming out with, like,
It can't be
weapons.
a covert operation.
It's not a covert operation. All right. We're making Nashville hot chicken sandwiches. And here we go.
Okay, here is your shopping and ingredient list with all of the measurements. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready, babe.
It's a lot of spices.
Okay.
Okay, we're doing 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ground mustard, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a little bit of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 cups of flour. It's about 2 tablespoons, if not a little bit more, of Louisiana hot sauce or whatever hot sauce you want to use. This is my favorite. Canola oil for frying.
Cannoli oil?
For frying the chicken.
What about the pickle juice?
Pickle juice and pickles. Look at my nails. How embarrassing. Burger buns. Whatever you like. You can use Hawaiian buns. You can use brioche buns. You can use rainbow buns. Or no buns. You can use lettuce. Whatever you want to do. We're using brioche buns. That's our ingredient list. It's a little bit of a lot, but it's really not that much.
It's a little bit of a lot.
But it's really not that much.
But it's really not that much.
Yeah. All right, let's get started. All right, we're going to take all of these spices that I just showed you, and we're going to put them into one bowl. This is going to become your spice mix. So when I refer to your spice mix, this is what I'm talking about.
So you're making the mother.
This is the mother. This is going to go in just about everything that we do from here out.
These are basically all your dry ingredients.
These are most of your dry ingredients, yeah. All right, so once we get all those spices in, we're going to mix it up. It is a pretty spicy mixture, so if you want to cut down your cayenne pepper or your chili powder, you can do that.
What about your brown sugar?
That goes in later. Okay. So here's our spice mix. So when you're making any kind of buttermilk chicken, you want to make sure that you let the chicken marinate in the buttermilk for at least 30 minutes. if not 24 hours beforehand, because you want the buttermilk to break that chicken down and make it nice and tender. So what I did is probably 6 hours ago, I went ahead and did my buttermilk chicken mixture. So let me tell you what's in it. We started with 2 cups of buttermilk. I did 2 tablespoons of my spice mix.
Of the mother
In there. I did about a tablespoon of salt. And I did about a tablespoon of pickle juice. And so that's what our brine and our mixture is to get it all tenderized. So it's been sitting for about 6 hours now. Okay?
What's the next step gonna be?
Oh, just you wait. Okay, so I have my Dutch oven here. I'm gonna use this whole thing. It's 24 ounces of canola oil. Obviously, the more chicken you have, the more oil you need, but we are deep frying, so you do want a lot of oil. We're gonna let that heat up to about 365, and then I'm gonna show you how to dredge your chicken right now. Okay.
You're using a Dutch oven.
But
you could use a pot. You could use whatever you want with the gas stove.
All right, so as I make our flour mixture, I do want to let you know this is medium to hot. I would say more on the hot. So you have to make sure that you gauge it and use the chili powder and the cayenne pepper according to your liking.
So this ain't chicken for your children.
Unless they're like really spicy. All right, you ready? We're gonna put our flour mixture in here. And like I said, I only have 2 chicken breasts in here, so this is a lot. You're not gonna use all of this.
But you could save the mother for later.
But you can save it for later, yeah. So we're gonna put in probably 3 of these tablespoons here. And then we'll shake it up and mix it up and see what we think we've got. So we have a nice color on our flour. It's kind of pink. So we're gonna pull our chicken out. It's been marinating. We're gonna stick it in here. We're gonna get it all floured up. You wanna get it nice and coated. We're gonna go back in, and we're gonna go back in the flour mix. And while our oil is heating up, we're just gonna let this set right here. All right, so that's what we've got. And look at how orange. And then we'll do our other one. Don't save this for later. Don't save that for later. It has raw chicken and salmonella in it. That's just a PSA.
Great.
For anyone who doesn't know.
So now what are you doing, babe?
Okay, I'm checking the oil temperature. We're getting up there. I don't know, what are we at here? It's going quickly. So we want it to be about 365. We're about 275.
And you're using a digital instant read thermometer.
Correct. It's rapidly moving up. We're at 280.
Which you could find, link below in the description. All of Babe's gadgets are linked below in the description.
Yeah.
All your gadgets.
Oh, my gadgets. We've got good stuff. Okay, I've been saying 365 the whole time. I'm sorry, it's 325. So we're at 325. We're ready to go. Let's put these chickens in. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Oh, yeah, don't come off. Get on there, you little goodness. You gotta be careful, babe. I can't burn myself here.
Don't burn
Here
yourself.
we go. Okay, we're gonna let those sit for a few minutes. So you wanna go for about 10 or 12 minutes. And once we get to 6 minutes, I'm gonna flip them over. Even though they're submerged, I'm still gonna flip them. I don't know. It works.
It works.
Yeah.
And then when you take them out, you're going to put them on your clean side of your...
Put them on the clean side.
Not on the yucky side.
Correct.
On the clean side.
On the clean side.
You don't want to get salmonella.
No.
That's a PSA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So something that you do need to pay attention to while you're doing this is the temperature of your oil. You don't want it to get too hot. So I started my oil pretty high, up on like medium high, and then I just turned it down so that way you can keep it pretty even around 325. If it gets up a little higher, that's okay. If it gets down a little lower, that's okay. But you don't want it to get too hot and burn your chicken. We're looking good. It's about time to flip. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah. It's looking really good, babe. Kind of first one. That is looking hard to flip with the camera right there, babe.
Yeah, babe.
Okay. So our chicken breasts are done.
Those are some large breasts.
Those are some large breasts.
They've hit 165 internal.
Correct. We're going to let them set for just a few minutes while we make our sauce. We're going to put a little bit of salt right on there. And then let's make our sauce to go on top. All right, so while our chicken rests, we're going to make the saucy sauce. This base is the oil from the pan that the chicken was fried in, okay?
So that's hot oil.
So this is hot, stinking hot oil, okay? So be careful. Make sure you don't use a really thin glass to put it in or it'll crack it and burn your hands off and then you'll be in the emergency room and you won't get to try your chicken. All right. So I have about a half a cup, 3/4 of a cup of oil. This is where our 2 tablespoons of brown sugar comes in. We are going to put a little more of our spice mix in.
Of the mother.
Of the mother. Go with about a teaspoon, okay? And then you want to put some of this hot sauce in there. Oh yeah, that was about a teaspoon, I would say. Oh shoot, mix it all
You
together.
almost dropped hot oil
I know,
on
I'm
yourself.
so scared I'm gonna burn myself. We're gonna mix that all together so you have a nice, flavorful oil. And then I also went ahead and I did some Duke's mayo. Shout out to Booger because she sends us so much. And I threw in some of the hot sauce and just made a spicy mayo. So let's go ahead and get our buns made up. We have our 2 sauces. We have our brioche buns. I did not toast them. You can if you would like.
So you're doing a spicy Duke's mayo.
Correct, a spicy Duke's mayo. A little bit on each side. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this right onto our chicken. It made almost like a syrupy glaze because of the brown sugar. Oh, yeah, babe. Are you excited?
This is going to be intensified.
Are you scared?
I'm borderline scared.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
We're gonna put this here. This one here. Let's grab our pickles.
And there you have 2 Nashville homemade hot chicken sandwiches. Let me come in for a close-up.
Okay, so here we have the Nashville hot chicken sandwich. I used my spice mix, my mother spice mix. I used a hot oil dressing, a spicy mayo, crunchy pickles. We deep fried buttermilk, saturated love.
On a brioche bun.
On a brioche bun.
Not too shabby, babe.
Yeah, looks pretty good. I'm excited to see what you think. All right, let's get this thing cut. Oh yeah. How's that look, babe?
Looks great, babe. There you go. Oh boy. Looks like a hot chicken sandwich to me.
Okay, you ready to try a bite?
Yes, I am.
Come on over. Okay, babe. Are you ready? Are you excited? Are you scared? I need to know all of the emotions you're having right now.
All the emotions?
Yeah.
I have a feeling this is going to be on the hot to hot side.
Yeah.
Hey, babe.
Cheers. This is your first time trying
Your hot chicken sandwich.
my hot chicken sandwich.
Look at this. Hold on. The camera likes to know. The people like to see me eat. Look at the tail. Look at the front. Look at the side. Yeah, babe.
Ready?
I have fans that like to see me eat.
That is true. You want to get a bite with the pickle in it.
Okay.
That's going to be your best bite.
All right.
Ready?
All right. I'm like salivating.
Oh my gosh.
The crunch is something that you would like wake you up at night. That is legit. Mm. Chicken is super tender. It's actually not as hot as I thought it would be. I taste the brown sugar. I taste the oil. I taste the mayo. I taste the seasonings, but it's not ripping your skull out hot.
Oh, it's not going to be ripping your skull out.
I thought it was going to be way hotter than this.
It's pretty spicy though, babe.
No, I don't. It's yeah, it's a hot chicken sandwich, but listen to the crunch though, like. And you know what I've noticed? There's a couple local like spicy chicken places that are just like mom and pop Nashville spicy chicken places. They're expensive. Mm-hmm. They're like me and you.
Yeah.
It was like 3 of us, like 3 sandwiches, fries, and like 1 drink, I think. And it was like $39 or something. No, it was that's crazy.
We should take one over to Timmy.
All right, there you go. That's it, Timmy.
That's it, guys.
Timmy, we might be bringing you a sandwich. Babe might be doing a covert mission. You might see her on one of your 52 video cameras. But
I'm sweating. It is hot.
It's not that hot. And I can't handle it, especially now. I used to love spicy things, and now my stomach,
It's not hot
I can't.
like a sour. You know how there's like sour hot when we go to those hot chicken places? This is like creep up on you hot.
Yeah, it definitely is hotter on the back than the front. The
yeah.
front is just like, oh, you can taste that brown sugar oil. Mm-hmm. But
No, this creeps up on you.
a little bit.
Yeah.
That brioche bun and that
That
mayo
makes it
in.
really good.
That's jamming.
Yeah.
All right, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. If you like what you saw, the subscribe button is free and always available. The join button is always available too. And this hot chicken sandwich is always available for you to make at your own damn house. Because it is really, really good.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you on the next one.